We all know what direct and indirect narration is, the difference between them, as well as in what context do we use it. The only challenge that we have to tackle is while interchanging these two. I have brought 5 simple rules for you to remember. These will help you in overall interchange of direct and indirect narration. The first rule is, if the reporting verb in direct speech is in present or future tense, the tense of the verb in reported or indirect speech is not changed. Some of the relevant examples will help you understand better. Here, the reporting verb in present tense is says, and the tense used in speech is I am reading. It will remain the same in indirect speech. Only I is converted into he. In second example, the reporting verb in future tense is will say. You can see that the tense has remained same in indirect narration as well. Only I has changed into he. Let's come to the second rule. If the reporting verb in the direct speech is in past tense, the present tense in the reported or indirect speech is changed into its corresponding past form. This is one of the most commonly applied rules in our daily life. Now let's look at some examples. In first example, it is present indefinite tense in direct speech, which is converted into past indefinite tense in indirect speech. And in second example, present continuous tense in direct speech is changed into past continuous tense in indirect speech. Similarly, present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Here you can see that reporting verb that is colored red for you to understand that it is said, which is the past form of the reporting verb. Let's move on to rule number 3. It says, after a reporting verb in past tense, a verb in the past indefinite tense in direct speech is changed into past perfect tense in reported speech. Here you have to notice that the tense used in direct speech in rule 2 was present, whereas here we are talking about past tense in direct speech itself, which will be converted into past perfect tense in reported or indirect speech. For example, Basit said, I spoke the truth. Now said is the past form of the reporting verb, and then the narration itself is in past indefinite tense, which is converted into past perfect tense. Basit said that he had spoken the truth. I hope the difference between Rule 2 and Rule 3 is clear by now. Now let's begin with rule number 4. It says, after a reporting verb in past tense, a verb in the past continuous tense in direct speech is changed into past perfect continuous tense in reported or indirect speech. See the example. She said it was raining yesterday. Now this is in past continuous tense. It is changed into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. She said that it had been raining the previous day. However, in other cases when past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense is used in direct speech, so it remains unchanged in indirect narration. And you don't have to worry about remembering the change. Now the last rule is for your help. It tells you about the change that occurs in modal verbs. The given table tells you clearly that shall is changed into should, will is changed into would, may is changed into might, and can is changed into could when direct speech is converted into indirect speech. I hope this video was of some help to your concepts. I'll see you in the next one soon. Till then, take care.